इश्टानो येवकार तुमकां गोवा न्यूज नांवचे आमचे खाशेले कार्यावळीक. तर आयज आसा आमी जॉगर्स पार्क हांगा जे जॅब एंड बॉक्स क्लब हांच्यांनी चॅम्पियनशीप म्हणजे सेकंड रनर्स अप हांगा आयज मार्मुगोवा खातीर हांगा हाडिल्ले आसा आनी ताच्या खातीर जे एक प्रायड फील करता आमकां खरेंच खरी एक उमेदीची गजाल आसा मार्मुगोवा तालुका खातीर. कारण पहिलेच फावटी ह्या क्लबान खंय तरी कॉम्पिटिशनान पार्टिसिपेट केल्लें आनी हांच्यांनी आयज गर्वाची गजाल अशी आसा की तांच्यांनी आयज सेकंड रनर्स अप ऑल ओवर म्हणजे ऑल इन वनाचे हितूनच्यान ओवरऑल जे चॅम्पियनशीप आसा ते सेकंड चॅम्पियनशीप तांच्यांनी हाडलेले आसा. खरेंच तांकां सगळ्यान पयलीं आमी परबी दिवया आनी ताज्या बद्दल आमकां चड जी म्हायती आसा त्या डिटेल्सान आमकां वयतले. तांचे जे कोच आसा संतोष बिरमुल्ले, त्याच बरोबर क्लबाचे जे अध्यक्ष आसा गिरीश पिल्ले, त्याच बरोबर विल्सन जे हांचे मेंबर्स आसा आमकां ते चड डिटेल्स आमकां दितले. तर पळयात हो जो चॅम्पियनशीप जे पार्टिसिपेट केल्ले उपरांत तांची जी उमेद आसा ती कशी तांच्यांनी सेलिब्रेट केला.
Your coach, okay? He comes all the way from Maksa. See, he put all the effort to come over here to make your fit. That day also I saw him, the way he worked hard. He praised he did the dedication towards your also big clap for him.
एक फ्री बॉक्सिंग कोचिंग तुम्ही हांगा प्रोवाइड करता इन जॉगर्स पार्क आनी आयज तुमचे स्टुडंट्स विदीन 8 months दे हॅव वन 10 gold 7 silver 5 bronze. कितें सांगूंक सोदता ह्या मोमेंटाचेर?
सी आमकां पयलीं मिन्स द मेन पर्सन बिहायंड दीस विन्सन बिकॉज ही वॉज अ नॅशनल प्लेयर. आमच्या टायमार 1990s आफ्टर 95 मागीर ही यूज टू दे बट ही ट्रायड अलो ही प्लेस फॉर नॅशनल ऑल्सो. तेजे उपरांत बाकीचे आमचे सगळे हिंगाचे आशिल्ले फ्रॉम मोस्ट ऑफ द बॉयज फ्रॉम आसे दोंगरी इट सेल्फ. So we used to practice in Rajna Mandi school at that time during our school days. Magi teje upran boxing kon means there was no support from even at that time we used to go by bus and I used to play. So at that time there was no support but right now we all are so we youth सगळे आमी सगळे जेन्ना आमचे सगळे फ्रेंड्स सगळे मेळ्ळे जेन्ना विन्सन मेळ्ळो म्हाका सो हांवें आमी चिंतलें कितें विन्सनाक सांगलें आमी कितें तरी करुया कित्याक देर इज नो बॉक्सिंग ना ती आमच्या टायमार आमी जातालें पण नाव वी ऑल आमी कितें सगळे एक सगळे कामां कोण आनी कोण खंय सगळे बिजनसान सो आमी प्लॅन केले सपोज आमी कितें तरी करुया पण ताका लागून आमी कितें केलें आमचे एक सर आशिल्ले यूज टू ट्रेन अस इन आवर टायम्स द लॅनी सर जॉन फर्नांडीस ही वॉज वन मोर पर्सन वॉज अ लॅनी म्हणून ही वॉज इन गाबा. सो वी बोथ ताका मेळपाक गेले मागीर तेणी सांगलें तुमी फुडें वचा म्हणून सांगलें ताका लागून तेजे थ्रू प्लस आमकां तेन्ना म्हणल्यार मेन म्हणल्यार मुरगांव आमकां जागो आसूना कितें खंय करपाचें म्हणून खंय आमकां जागो खंयच मेळना. मागीर लास्टाक आमकां कितें केलें आमी आमचे मोविन सराक सांगलें आमी वचून की सराक कितें जॉगर्स पार्क तेन्ना कामाक चालू आशिल्लें काम तेन्ना हिंगा म्हणल्यार आमकां सर हिंगा कितें जागो जाय आशिल्लें हॉल जाय आशिल्लें. सरान सांगलें एक जागो आसा तुमचेर एक जीम करपा आशिल्लो आनी एक हॉल फ्री आशिल्लो तुमी कितें स्पोर्ट्स थिंगा करपा. तेन्ना सरा थ्रू आमकां एक जागो मेळ्ळो. ताजे उपरांत आमी सगळे परत आमी गाबाक मेळ्ळे. आमकां कोच जाय म्हणून मागीर कोचूय आमकां एक सरान दिल्ले. तेजे उपरांत 15 ऑगस्ट आमी स्टार्ट केल्ले. हांव एकूच सांगपा पळयता जेन्ना 15 ऑगस्ट म्हणलें केन्ना लास्ट 15 ऑगस्ट 2023 आमी स्टार्ट केले. तेजे उपरांत हे फर्स्ट टोर्नामेंट आमी एक्चुली जॅबन बॉक्स क्लब आमी हिंगा ऑल गोवा टोर्नामेंट हितून करपा आशिल्लें. मागीर ड्यू टू सम वेदर कंडिशन वी कुडंट डू इट. ताका लागून आमी ऑलरेडी सगळ्यांनी डिक्लेअर केल्लें वी आर डुईंग द टोर्नामेंट. सो आमी ऑलरेडी आमी एडवर्टायजमेंट सगळे जाल्ले. एट लास्ट वी स्पोक टू गाबा देन तेंच्यांनी आमकां म्हापसा हिंगा करपा दिलें. म्हापसा करपा दिले उपरांत आमकां जेन्ना जें टोर्नामेंट जालें तो वेद आमच्या भुरग्यांनी जें केलें इतले दिसान थोडे टायमान जे केलें इट्स अ वेरी गूड थिंग समथींग दे हॅड डन फॉर दीस क्लब जॅबन बॉक्स क्लब दॅट इज अंडर द लिडरशीप ऑफ अवर कोच ही हॅज डन अ वेरी गूड जॉब संतोष इज कम ऑल द वे फ्रॉम म्हापसा. हांव एकूच आमी हें कितें केलें लोकांक कितें वी वॉन्ट टू डू बिकॉज तेंच्यांनी इतलें केलें म्हणून भुरग्यांक आमी कितें करुया म्हणून वी डीड अ स्मॉल सेरेमनी ओवर हियर आनी हितून आमी लोकांक दाखोवपा सांगपा पळयता की इट्स अ फ्री बॉक्सिंग कोचिंग क्लास गोईंग अवे. हांव लोकांक सांगता बाकीचे आसा मोर एंड मोर बॉक्सर्स आमकां जाय आनी वी वॉन्ट मोर एंड मोर बॉक्सर्स. वी वॉन्ट टू प्रोड्यूस सम गुड बॉक्सर्स फ्रॉम वास्को, दोज हू कॅन प्ले फॉर नॅशनल एज वेल एज इंटरनॅशनल लेवल. ते एक आमकां एक नांव उरतलो बिकॉज सम कितें तरी जातलें की फ्रॉम दॅट बॉय इज प्लेइंग फ्रॉम वास्को, फ्रॉम मुर्मुगांव तालुका. सो दॅट इज ओनली आवर ड्रीम एंड वी कॅन ओनली रिक्वेस्ट अ बॉयज. वी ऑल्सो रिक्वेस्ट अदर्स ऑल्सो, बाकीचे लोक हिंगा हे एरियाच्या लोकांक सांगपाक पळयता तुमी तुमच्या भुरग्यांक वी सेंड ओवर हियर फॉर फ्री बॉक्सिंग क्लासीस. सो वी कॅन प्रोड्यूस मोर एंड मोर बॉक्सर्स. आमचे मुर्मुगांव तालुक्याचें नांव वयर करपाचें एक आमचें एक इंटेंशन. ताका लागून कितें बॅकिंग आमच्या सायडीचें ना. वी आर ऑलवेज देयर विथ द बॉयज, वी आर ऑलवेज विथ देम, गर्ल्स आसूं बॉयज आसूं. वी आवर सपोर्ट वील ऑलवेज वी आमच्या सायडीच्यान खंयचे सपोर्ट जाता आमी करतलो. प्लस आमचे हे एरियाचे मिनिस्टर सुद्धा, बिकॉज ही ऑल्सो प्रॉमिस देर वील वन मोर टोर्नामेंट इन द मंथ ऑफ जुलाय आनी एक ओपन एअर करपाचें प्लॅनिंग आहा. जुलाय 30-31 आनी 1st करपाचें प्लॅनिंग आहा. एक आमची सरस गिवर परमिशन देर वील वन मोर ऑल गोवा टोर्नामेंट. सो आमी तेन्ना आनी बरे भाशेन आमी करपाचें प्लॅन करपाचें एक केल्लें. आनी हांव एकूच सांगता की इट्स अ वेरी गुड जॉब डन बाय बॉय जेवन बॉक्स क्लब. इतले वी गॉट समथींग 10 gold, 8 silvers and 5 bronze. And also a good support from our coach Sarvesh. Okay, sorry, Santosh. Okay, and all the boys. I just want to, that only I told. I just want to request all the parents over here nearby, means in Murugaon Taluka, just you'll send your child over here more than 10 years old. You just practice. When they can play next, or means they can't go for tournament also, but send him do some physical activities because physical exercise, they'll keep them mentally fit. So it's good. So I just request all the parents, whoever can possible, just for 2 to 3 hours, just send him over there, so they can be, the children can be away from the mobile also. Because nowadays you can see, during our time there was no mobile or nothing, but nowadays you can see people, children are always playing with the mobile. So it's a request from my side. Send them over here. Do some physical activities over here. It's well and good. So it's a good. This coaching class is also free for them.
Well, I will thank Jeven Box for calling me here, and I also thank Gaba to sending me here, because from my side I have put my effort, but from Boxer side I am saying my students have given a fantastic performance in the ring, because getting in the ring in the first time is very difficult for the boxers to perform. But what I saw in them was they were very like they want to box. Still we lose 2-3 bouts easy. It was too close. And first of all, I would like to thank you all media people also by coming and taking us and making this game more popular. And around this Murmugaon area, I request everyone to come, because every day the boxing goes on here in this hall. So it will help you all to get your career if you all want, or no, otherwise you will make yourself fit by coming here. Yes, thank you.
We had started, as he said, Girish helped a lot to set up this boxing unit, and Movin sir also helped him to giving this place. As I said, we had a tournament fixed May 17, 18, 19, which was supposed to be held in Joggers Park, but unfortunately due to the weather conditions, forecast and all, we had to change the plan. But the original plan of making another success tournament will be in place on July 30th, 31st and 1st, which is promised by Movin sir, and Sarvesh Bandodkar, who is the event management of this Joggers Park, will have said that he is going to have it, and we will plan it ahead, and we will have more boxers than what we played. 30 boxers we played in this tournament, but we will have more boxers on the July 31st, and we will win the championship. That is what the boxers have to say. We will win the next championship. And we want more parents and more localities to come and join us, because we have come forward to improve boxing, and we promote boxing throughout the youth and all the children who can come and take this free coaching, and we can learn them. And this is not just if they don't want to go for a tournament, well, they can keep fit yourself, because now once they have entered the ring, they want to fight again. Yes? Yes. So that is the boost. Now, so we will come back with on the 30th and 31st and July, 30th July and 31st July and 1st August. They have promised us So we will go ahead with this tournament, and if that is a success, then definitely we want to bring more success for Mormugao Taluka.
Good boxers.
Yeah, good boxers, and we want to produce everybody. I have played for nationals, many nationals I have played. So I want many more nationals to come from this area and play nationals international level. My ambition was to play for India, but unfortunately those time I had very less opportunities because of money was a big problem. We had to go for training to Panjim Kampal every day, which we could not afford. So we had to lack, and we had to go back to studies and do footballs and all. So now these people have got the unit here itself that they can practice themselves and they can fulfill their dreams. And our ambition is one of somebody has to go and play for India. That is our ambitions. And thank you very much. Also, we will present this trophy to the coach and the team. All good inside. I'll take the thing out.
Your coach. Okay. He comes all the way from Aksa. See, he put all the effort to come over here to make your fit. That day also I saw him, the way he worked hard. He praised he did the dedication towards you also. Big clap for him.